Hey guys, today in this video I am going to talk about Macbook Pro M3. And if you are a video editor and coder, so this video is very important for you. Hey guys, this laptop only for video editor and coder, not for gamer. And I am very excited of this laptop. And you want to focus on its fact, deliver high performance, memory and display quality. Because best for overall, best for beginners, best for professionals. So guys, I am a video editor previous 2 years and using this laptop previous 4 months. And within 4 months guys, I don't face any lagging, boreas feeling, any battery backup and whatever it is. And guys, apart from that, my client sent me high task like 50 GB, 100 GB one video. Then I suggest you guys, if you want to buy MacBook for video editing and coding, so MacBook Pro M3 better than of any laptop guys. Okay guys, I am rendering of this project and this video duration is 18 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, this project completed within 3 minutes, 2.45 minutes guys. So this laptop is very fast for video editing and coding. Thank you.